Your anxiety doesn't make you broken. Theme: mental health, overthinking, inner struggle. Some days, your mind won't stop racing. You replay conversations. Analyze every word. You walk into a room and wonder, was I too much or not enough? You want connection, but the fear of being misunderstood keeps you quiet. You crave peace, but your thoughts won't let you rest. And worse, you blame yourself for feeling this way. Because the world says, calm down, stop overthinking, just relax. But you know it's not that simple. So let's be clear, your anxiety is not a defect. It doesn't mean you're broken. It means you care. Sometimes too deeply, sometimes too often, but always with heart. You notice what others overlook. You feel what others can't name. That doesn't make you weak. It makes you human. Give yourself compassion. Let the storm pass. Remind yourself, not every thought deserves your attention. Not every fear is true. And above all, you're not alone. You're never the only one fighting these invisible battles. You don't need to apologize for being sensitive. You just need to keep going. At your pace, on your terms. And know that healing is possible. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Wishing you all the good things life has to offer.